In software version 20.1, we introduced the concept of pop-up lists. For example, let's look at the referring physician. In older software versions, we had to click into this cell and type this manually. That was rather tedious. In version 20.1, we could use a right click, and this gave us a pop-up list of referring physician names, and we could select the desired physician name by using a left click of the mouse. The problem with this pop-up list was with configuration. To change the list, we had to click on System, Setup User, Edit User, Comments, and then you had to scroll through a list of about 300 plus comments and go to the exact portion to change that list. In version 21, we have simplified this. I'm going to double click into the referring physician window. Again, this is a double click in version 21. It used to be a right click in version 20.1. So from now on, it's a double click. When I do a double click, this shows me the pop-up list just as before. But now it has a new entry which is called comment setup. I can click on it and it puts me directly into the area where we used to make the configuration using the menu, system, setup user, edit user, comments, etc. I can double click, modify the label as appropriate, and I can modify additional labels if I wanted, like this, and click on OK. This is the way we can configure the pop-up list, whether it is for referring physician, examining physician, referred for, medical history, whichever field that supported pop-up list, that's the way we adjust it. Let's see how it works. Now if I were to double click into the referring physician box, here are the names that I had put in. So this is a very fast and simple way of editing the pop-up list in version 21, which should make configurations much easier.